So friends, finally it is the last day and it is 1st Jan 2026 today. So I would like to wish you all Happy New Year. And today we have come here to get the remaining of the articles and objects, furniture, which we will load. First we will get it down, and after that we will load it on the vehicle, and after that we will unload it at our new campus. I will show you that new campus again today. So I would like to speak you again. This is the last video of Sharp Links Academy existing campus. As you can see, the name of Sharp Links Academy, which is located at the ground floor. So let's go inside and let me show you this once again. So here is the entrance, and it is a ladder upstairs we are going, and you can see the last time this is a welcome note. As you come here, so you will get that welcome note. Sharp Links Academy welcomes you warmly, and we are glad to see you here. And another point is that when you go back, then you again get this board for thanking you for your visit and have a rock and roll day. So this is a logical way of welcome and thank you of the students and visitors, guests. So once you come here, then you find our master classroom. This is the master classroom. At the entrance there you see, this is our dais where students stand and give their speech, and some of the furnitures have been transferred from here, like podium, and this is our cooler for the students, and these are our benches, and this are partitions and some motivational pictures also you can see that can help students to get the motivation. So this is an aluminum partition furniture, and these are our benches. We will take them out today, and that is our notice board which we are going to take it down. And this is a motivational picture again which speaks students never give up, means keep on doing the works. And you can see so many motivational wallpaper here, which you can see that always encourage the students, like there is no substitute for hard work. It shows hard work is only the key that gets you success. And you can see here another notice board, that is run your own race, means do not have any competitions with anyone. You are the runner and run your own race, do not have a competition with anyone. Here you see that is another motivational thought. If you are waiting for the right time, it is now, means every day, every time, every second, every moment is a good time to start. So you can start any activity anytime. There is no need to visit any pandit for asking the right time in patra. Every time, every moment is a right time, just have and start. And these are our Thakurji, where we used to worship them. So we hope we will get everything positive. And this is in our office, as you see on the board. Let me show you again. This is the office which is located at the beside the master classroom, and it was earlier in a reception area where you see this chair, but reception furniture has been transferred from here, so you see completely empty now. As you can see, it is mentioned also their reception. And you see this is our office where we see and we will decorate our new office again. So some things are also there, we will take them out soon. And after this office, let me go ahead, and there is another notebook which is also the part of general knowledge. As we know that every day we get 24 hours, we know that every day has a 24 hours, and every day has 1440 minutes, and every day has 86,400 seconds. Non-refundable, non-renewable. Be very selective of how you use your time. So every day once you use your 24 hours, then you have no time to use the another hours. Next day you will get only the new hours. So again is a motivational wallpaper. Never hope for it more than you work for it. So I will show you some or more. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you non-stop. Means no matter of your speed, the matter continuity, consistency, how continue do you go. And two motivational pictures are also there. Let me read them. You are braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Means you are more smart than you think, you are more strong than you seem then, and you are more brave than you believe yourself. And it is our library here which we are going to show you. This is in our library cabin, and a library furniture also has been shifted from here. Only the benches and chairs are left there, which we will take today on 1st Jan, Thursday. And the last motivational picture here, the pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow. Means if you work today, tomorrow you will get the result. So here is the complete academy's video. Here you can see this is a direct way of going outside. Thanking you. You can see that note downstairs, and you come direct. Then there is a first classroom, then there is a reception and office, then this is our conference room, which I have not shown you, but it is completely vacant now because the furniture of conference room has been transferred. So this room, which is located beside the reception, that partition, it covers our conference room. Here students used to sit in a conference room and used to discuss and debate over different topics. And that was also large. And lastly, you see that is our of library, and this library furniture also has been transferred. But let me show you this also. This is in a small area where students used to study books, newspaper, magazines, and their self-study. And only the benches are there. And we will take these all the bench and chair today out from here. And another thing, let me show you, that is our washroom, which is a combined washroom. It is ladies and for gents. So I have shown you this complete library. Here we spent approx 4 years, 6 months, I mean 4.5 years, and we taught approx thousands of students English language here. And I have got great experience, knowledge, new things to learn from this academy, from this location. Discipline, motivation, consistency with my best friend Mr. Sukhdev Singh, who is the owner of this academy. So we all have worked together, motivated students, and we also have made the career of 100+ students who have learnt English, cracked their interviews themselves, and got the placed in different multinational companies and government sectors also. And we are going to expect this thing again in our new academy. We are starting not only spoken English, but we are also starting a digital library that may help students for the preparation of any government and central state government exams. And hope in new year everything will be go fine and good. So students, we will take this furniture out now. We will make that video of that one also. So still it was a little experience and knowledge, and a small vlog of this Sharp English Academy existing branch on 1st January 2026. And really we will miss it a lot. I will miss this location. My students also will miss this location, because it is the starting of Sharp English Academies. It is the foundation place where we started it on 8th August 2021. It was the foundation inauguration day of that academy, and our sweet memories are connected with this place. So we are really emotionally attached with that location, and I will always miss it. And I will keep on coming here time to time to see that furniture, to get the memory in my brain, or imagine those activities, classes which we perform here with the students. And we did all those activities. How did we teach the students? How did we make the videos? that everything will be remembered in imagination only. So it is time to say finally goodbye. As we have said goodbye to 2025, so we are going to say goodbye to this location of Sharp English Academy and going to start a new journey. Like we welcome 2026 today, as we are going to welcome that new location also. So thank you. Our dear students have started taking the benches outside, and they are taking them out because that two-wheeler, the four-wheeler is about to reach here soon. So after taking these furnitures outside, we will load it in the commercial vehicle, and after that we will get it unload to the new location where I will show you that one also. So students are continue. These students are from my village. Mr. Yes Atri and Aman both have reached here in this morning and spending their new year with me by getting these all the furnitures downstairs, and then they will get it load. After that they will get it unload, and they will continue their classes in new academy from 5th of January. We will start our classes from 5th of January. So now I am going to put it down because I also have to help them to get these branches, these furniture, benches, desks down. Just wait and keep on watching for that. हाँ ये तो है ही भाई, यहाँ पे लंबे समय से जुड़े हुए हैं। यहाँ पे यादें बनी हुई हैं, वहाँ पे यादें बनेंगी। तो हर चीज का अपना एक होता है। आज नहीं तो कल जाना तो भाई। छुट्टियां पड़ गई।